Okay, hi y'all. Jake here from Birdsong Guitars and Go-To Guitars. Here to talk to you today for a minute about this bass. This is the Fusion2. Something new for 2025. It is a Fusion design, body shape design model, with a few more bells and whistles. It has two soap bar pickups. The original Fusion has a single humbucker in the neck. It's kind of designed to be a good accompaniment for acoustic playing, acoustic guitars. It's a great, warm-sounding, jazzy bass. This, I would say, does that with a little more versatility, maybe. Options, they're good, right? It's good to have options. The original, of course, is still available as well as the other models, but this is just something else to throw in the mix, and I really like it. It's really nice. So this is it. Rolled all the way, all the volumes up. Up, neck down, get a little more treble and mids in there. Bring the tone back a bit. Bring the neck back into it with the tone rolled back. Sorry, y'all, I was distracted by the dog out the window there. Anyway, yeah, so this is it. This is the Fusion 2. I really like it. This one, I believe, is available, and we can do a lot with this design. So anyway, yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask Scott, www.birdsongguitars.com. He'll be happy to help. And thank you very much, and thank you all for following along.